so contest prep has started, and today we just actually hit the gym with Maggie. Maggie and I, we actually did, what did we do? We did quads and adductors, and then after that we went to Costco to do a little grocery shopping. So I'm going to show you guys some of the food that we eat during the prep. And this time around, like I said before, things are starting to change a little bit because I'm trying to incorporate more whole food into my diet. So about 85% is going to be whole food. So right now, our current protein source is going to be salmon patties. I had these last time during my contest prep, and it's been pretty tasty. So even Maggie and I, we both liked it a lot during our prep. So we actually incorporate this into our daily diet. So we got some of these, 2 packs. You can get these at Costco. Pretty macro friendly, pretty high fat, 9. So it's like a nice balance. They're pretty tasty too. We got 2 of these. We opt out chicken breasts. That's a typical bodybuilder food, but we have chicken tenderloins. It's slightly higher in fats, but not as dry. So we're sticking with tenderloins. Again, we're trying to incorporate more veggies into our diet, so we've got some romaine lettuce. So recently I've been eating a lot of lettuce and also chicken salads. So it's pretty refreshing. Got some potatoes for carb source. Maggie also got this stuffed food ultimate party pack. She said ever since she's seen this, she always wanted to eat this whole box herself. So this is gonna be all her. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna help her out. It's not bad, but of course we can't eat the whole entire box. We're gonna eat like 1 serving, maybe 2 tops on a low carb day, high fat. You see the Colombian coffee. We got. You might be like, Albert, I thought you're contest prepping. Why are you eating chips? Again, I'm gonna incorporate just maybe like a serving or 2, depending how I feel, on chips. These are pretty hard to fit in because the fats are so high, but come on, when do you see Costco selling cheddar sour cream ruffles? Got a bag of Doritos. These are macro friendly. They're about 4 grams of fat and 22 grams of carbs per serving. So they're not bad at all. So we actually use these chips as fillers. So at the end of the day, if we have room for snacks, we try to just fill in our macros. Emergency. Super important this prep. One of my main goals this prep is to stay healthy, have a healthy immune system, and if I feel like I'm getting a little sick, I'm gonna be drinking a pack or 2 of these. Let's see what else we got. We got some cherry tomatoes, we got some mushrooms, got some apples. We've been pretty addicted to apples, so that's been a nice staple within the last month. Cold cuts. These cold cuts were on sale, so we actually started buying these. So whenever we're making like a breakfast in the morning, we kind of just throw it in. It's not bad. Easy to fit in for protein. We got some organic eggs. These are the cage-free eggs as well. Pretty crazy stuff right now. Egg whites. I got some Splenda for my coffee. I need some Splenda. These were on sale. I haven't had these since like 2000. I would say like since contest prep, honestly. I used to go crazy back in 2014 for these, the yogurt game, but after contest prep, I actually stopped eating yogurt. I haven't had yogurt since then. Again, these are pretty macro friendly, 0 fat, 8 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein per cup. So again, these are filler. If I'm missing protein, missing carbs with no fat, this is gonna be the filler that's gonna fill everything up. What I also like to do sometimes is also make overnight oats with them, soak it up. Pretty tasty stuff. Cereal game, super important. So this is, you guys all know I love Cap'n Crunch. What else? Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms, all that crazy stuff. So right now, recently I've been eating a lot of Cap'n Crunch. The 3-pack, we have the berries, regular, and the peanut butter. Pretty good. What else? We got ground beef. I usually don't incorporate ground beef into any beef at all, rarely into my diet, but this time around, Maggie and I, we're actually going to try to have some beef into our diet. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. We got some mini tacos, chicken and cheese. Again, these are like lifesavers. We're actually gonna use these. Well, I'm gonna use these whenever, like, sometimes I don't have time to cook. Just I need something on the go real quick. Right here. Maggie, however, is gonna eat this religiously. Right, that's gonna be her. And this is the game changer right here. Chicken bake. One chicken bake, 19 grams of fat, 58 grams of carbs, and 35 grams of protein. This right here is gonna like pretty much fill up a good portion size of your macros, so you don't have to go chasing at the end of the night. Pretty much. Oh yeah, and then we got some oranges. Got some oranges for pre-workout maybe. And this time around, I've been eating a lot of oatmeal. I usually don't eat old-fashioned oats, but ever since I would say like last year's off season, I've been incorporating a lot to it, like especially pre-workout. So I actually like these a lot. So that's all, guys. This is what we're gonna be eating for, like, it'll probably last us for like a couple of weeks, actually a good amount of time. So until then, see you guys next time. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.